Hey, how's it going? Stu Sterling over here from Japan, from stuartsterling.com. Alright, so, big news, interesting news, lots of fun going on here. As you might have caught if you watched my last video, I told you about affiliate income machines from James Brown, and that I was planning to totally revive my old niche website, driftcam.com, and I've been working on that website quite a bit, and I'll let you know what things I've done to it. Okay, I'll show you what the site looks like now. So this is what the site looked like before. It had this, the theme was pretty good, but a little bit 2014 style. Now it's 2021, so I wanted to update the theme, and the header, I don't know, at the time I thought it was cool, but now the header kind of looks a bit tacky, so got rid of that, and yeah, we'll have a look at the site now. Alright, so this is what the site looks like now. Okay, got a new theme. This is just a free theme called, can't even remember, BAM, I guess, I don't know. Anyway, it was a free theme, just very basic, which is what I wanted. You know, one secret with affiliate niche sites is ugly sites are fine because, you know, they aren't really here to buy anything from your site. They're here to click on your links from your site and move on, right? So an ugly site will prompt people to click and move away from your site as fast as possible. So this is just a real basic ugly site. I got a new logo done for 20 bucks. I went and applied and joined a couple more affiliate programs. Okay, one for Insta360, which is a brand of action camera maker. I also created a new Amazon account, Amazon affiliate, because my old one was closed because apparently I didn't update something in time, so they closed it. So I've got a new affiliate account with Amazon, and apparently I've only got like 180 days to make at least 3 sales, or else they'll close my account again. So the pressure and the time, the clock is running. Okay, we got to make sales in the next 180 days, probably more like 170 days now. Okay, so I've got oh, this is actually not an Amazon link. So I made this banner myself. It's supposed to look ugly. I was just focusing on the copy, okay, not necessarily the snazziness of the design. Okay, so this is a big banner, and it doesn't even fit properly, which is kind of good because it's like it stands out even more. So this is not actually an Amazon link. This is a link to this camera by Campark, another brand of action camera, and this is a ShareASale. Well, Campark run the Sarah affiliate program through ShareASale.com. So I had a ShareASale account from a long time ago, so I just applied for Campark's affiliate program on there. Got approved, and I'm promoting through direct to their site. I also have a couple of links to the same product on Amazon as well throughout the site. So I've kept the AdSense running on the sidebar, but I will be changing these out eventually because AdSense is okay. I might keep one, I don't know. But this right top corner banner here, this is golden real estate on your website, okay? I don't really want AdSense running there. I'd rather have some other cool banner for that is promoting an action camera, maybe a 360 Insta360 one, or GoPro 10, which has just come out. Anyway, I won't talk about all the tech stuff too much. Okay. So since another big update is I've ordered, I think 24 articles to be written. I found an article writer on truelancer.com, which is a really cool, easy to use website. It's first time I've used it. I set up a project on truelancer.com, and like within hours, I just had streams of applicants, responding to it. So I choose one. He's really good for the price. I mean, he's really good. I think he's either from India or Sri Lanka or somewhere, but his English is really good. I've found very, very few mistakes. I can almost publish his articles as is. Very great value. I think, it was really affordable. It was 24 articles, 700 words per article for $150. Okay, I set my budget at $170. This guy quoted $150, so I took him up on it. And he writes some pretty good content. So I've already posted 3. This one, this one, this one. Let's have a look at this one. So, he wrote all this. I just added the images and my affiliate links here and posted it. That's me, by the way, and one of my old drift cars, Nissan Silvia, that I had about 11 years ago. So, it's coming along. I just wanted to give you an update of what's happening with this site. If we go in and check on some stats, let's go to SiteKit. Let's see if any traffic has been coming in. Let's see. I don't think I've made any sales in the last week since posting those articles. But, okay, in the last 28 days I've had 138 users, which is okay. Let's see. So, okay, most people are coming to the front of my site. This one has been getting some traction. Best HD camera for car racing. Okay, and the other thing I had to do on this website is update all of my affiliate links that I had set up, 7-8 years ago. Thank goodness I use Pretty Links. So with Pretty Links, you probably already know, with Pretty Links, it's a link cloaker. And I just use the free version. Alright, it works mint. So basically, because I put all Pretty Links in my articles for my affiliate links, all I had to do was change out the actual link in the affiliate, in the Pretty Links. I didn't have to go and edit the articles themselves. Okay, I just updated this target URL for that Pretty Link itself. So I went through, I think I got all of them. There are quite a few, 78 different links that I had. So they're all updated. Most of them I changed to my new Amazon affiliate user ID. And a couple of the older affiliate programs that I was promoting had closed down or disappeared or weren't running affiliate programs anymore, so I changed all of them to Amazon links as well. So that's good to know. All the links, yeah, they're not dead anymore, and all the Amazon ones are gonna be referred to me, to my my new account. So hopefully, even with the traffic that it's still getting now, hopefully we'll get some clicks on these affiliate links. So I don't know how accurate these stats are. It says 8 clicks, 5 uniques on the on this link already. I don't know if how many are bots or yeah, I don't know. This one's the header image. If we go and check my site again, this header image here, okay, Insta360 banner header, that's had 32 uniques already. I don't know if that's correct. It could be, but yeah, who knows? I haven't checked the affiliate stats for a couple of days, so I should do that and see if anything, if I've got any sales. Actually, let me do that right now. Okay, so the affiliate program that I'm promoting the Insta360 cameras through is avantlink.com, and yeah, it looks like people are clicking on that banner. No sales today. Let me months today, quarter to date. Let's wow, 28 clicks in total. No sales yet, unfortunately. But that's good to know. People are clicking this big banner here. So you probably already know, but like the top fold of your website is golden real estate. Okay, this is high click traffic or high click area of your website. So that's another reason why I wanted to change themes as well. I wanted to have a banner up in the header here. That is one of the secrets to getting clicks on your links, right? Have a big banner in the header, small logo in the header. You don't need a big logo right there. And yeah, I haven't changed much else except for the theme, and put this banner here. And the plugin that I'm using to put these ads in is Ad Inserter. It's a free plugin as well. You just, instead of messing around with the code inside of WordPress, you just you can paste your banner code in the ad inserter settings and then tell it where you want the ad to display, which makes it really nice and easy to use. So if I want to change out the AdSense, it's easy. I just go to Ad Inserter, replace the code with other code for a banner that I want to use there, and hit save, and then it will be changed out really easy. Okay, I've done it here at the bottom too. I've got a couple of Amazon links as well in a widget that is also running through Ad Inserter. Okay, so yeah, things are going okay. So I've got a bunch more articles to post on this site. I can't keep up. The writer is delivering about one a day, which is great, and it's actually too much for me to keep up with. But okay, this video is getting a bit long, so I'll cut it short here. So if you want to keep up with the progress of this website, please subscribe to my channel so you can get all updates. I'll be doing some regular updates about this website in particular over the coming weeks and months. My goal is to get it up to $500 a month, and hopefully I can do that as soon as possible, but within the next 3 to 4 months would be ideal. So let's say like by the end of the year, I hope to be getting around the $500 a month mark in commissions. Now the thing that I really like about Amazon is that when people go on Amazon, they usually buy, 5, 6, 7 different things, and if I'm the referrer, then I get commissions on all of those items that they buy. So that's really, really nice. Whereas if it's an individual one, so for example, the actual Campark website, they only sell cameras and stuff. So, how many action cameras do people buy when they go to buy one? Usually just one, right? Or if they got something really special going on, they might get 2. So yeah, that's one benefit of promoting on Amazon. Okay, well, let's wrap it up here. Hope you got something out of it. Feel free to implement any of these ideas into your own niche website. Content is really the thing that drives it. So, as I add content to it, the traffic's going to grow. And keywords, I did do a fair bit of keyword research to get the topics of my articles. That might be something for another video, how I got the keywords. I actually outsourced the keyword research as well to some guy on Fiverr, but I'll save that for another video. Alright then, so be good. If you can't be good at it. Alright, this is Stu Sterling. Thanks for tuning in. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get all updates about DriftCam and the affiliate commissions that I will be making. Alright, thanks a lot. Catch you later.